I'm ready. All right.
Okay.
You want to be on normal size?
Well, as a matter of fact, I heard this one on TV. I think on maybe on the news. Oh yeah, somebody was asking the president that it's time to get back on the horse. He said, "Oh, I'm still on the horse. Didn't even get off the horse." So,
Right. Yeah.
So could you explain it to us, Avalanche here?
Yeah.
What does it mean to get back on the horse?
So it's time to get back on the horse is an old Western reference of riding again. Is what it means. So if you're getting off the horse, that means you've stopped whatever it is that you're doing. You're no longer doing it. So let's say you're working out, okay? And I've been working out, and then I stopped.
So you got off the horse.
I got off the horse.
Okay.
So
and maybe one of your friends says, "Hey, come on, man.
I know. You're looking a little chubby.
Yeah, so you gotta get back on. Get back on the horse."
He told me that. So I started.
So he got back. He jumped on the back of the horse and
That's right. That's right. So getting back on the horse is restarting something that you stopped doing is what that references to.
Oh, that's beautiful. رح اشرحها بالعربي انه اي شيء انتم بتعملوه بحياتكم، يمكن رياضه، يمكن تكون قرايه، اي موضوع وقفتوا بطلتوا تعملوا هالموضوع هذا. بطلتوا تعملوه. يمكن انا انصحكم، وفي وقت يمكن انت تجرت، انا ما انت كنت تقرا وكنت تروح على النادي، ليش بطلتوا تقروا تروحوا على النادي؟ بقى اجى الوقت، حان الوقت انه ترجعوا على ظهر الحصان. بهذا المعنى الحلو انه رجعوا على ظهر الحصان، يعني رجعوا لتعملوا الامور اللي كنتوا تعملوها. Okay, so this is what it means to get back on the horse. That's what it means. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Avalanche.
Absolutely.
Beautiful.
And please don't judge me for wearing the same outfit 2 times in a row.
Oh no, this is new. Okay, guys. See you soon with a whole new idiom.